guys, what's up? Welcome back to K&K, or welcome if you're new. So today is my 17th birthday and I'm gonna film it. I am sick.
She gonna start filming at 9:37 at night. Almost the day after her 17th birthday.
I am sick. We have laid in bed all day.
She has. And
played video games, okay? No. You sat up in bed all day playing video games, so I don't want to hear it.
She played video games too. And
then he got me the Sims 4 for my birthday. We're gonna go out to eat, and then we're gonna go watch a movie.
Eating at Buffalo Wild Wings.
And then we're gonna make my birthday cake whenever we get back.
I didn't know about that until now.
And maybe while it's making, we can do our gingerbread house. Follow me on Instagram, kinsey.marie02. Subscribe, like, turn on the notification bell. See more videos. Yeah, we did. I'm taking my fuzzy blanket to the movie theater to be all cozy up with. He's put on his little Jordans. We filmed a what we got for Christmas. That should be up before this video. We still have to make the thumbnail for it, but I am honestly so sorry about that video. It's bad quality. Of course, I'm filming on my phone. Hopefully I'm getting a new camera soon. And I was just, I was terribly sick. So like, it was hard to film. I was so sick, so I'm so sorry about that. I'm still not feeling the best, but we're living it. We're living our best life. Oh. All right, let's be Bdubs.
The movie theater that we eat is not here.
No.
So I'm forced to spend money. Gosh dang it, baby. Why are you so expensive?
Excuse me?
As your brother would say, why are you bullying?
Huh?
As your brother would say, why are you bullying?
Bullying. Let's go. We're at Buffalo Wild Wings.
Because our Chevy employee discount is still available to everyone.
The Chevy price you pay is what we pay.
Not a cent more.
So happy New Year and welcome to the
We're at the movie theater. Got my blanket, got my baby. It's cold, so got my fuzzy socks. Ooh, wrong ones. They're the pretty ones. I'm gonna take my shoes off in there. With my fuzzy socks. Ooh.
Use your Regal Crown Club card when you buy tickets to Like a Boss, December 27th to January 23rd.
Okay guys, we are home from the movies. It was really good. I really liked it.
It's pretty good.
Alright. I really wanted to see Star Wars, but I haven't seen any of the Star Wars.
You're gonna lose subscribers because you said that.
But I'm gonna end the video here. Actually, we were supposed to make cake and stuff.
But it's 2 in the morning.
Yeah, it's kind of like 2 in the morning. So if we make it tomorrow, I will enter the clips. But if not, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. One more year till I'm 18.